Tapos nisisi ko sila.
Nakasabi mo man. Yung epekto ng alak sa'yo.
Di ba ang Diyos na awa? Marain. Di ba kita yung hindi ko ayaw mo bigay? Awa ang Diyos sa...
Ano ba yung nihiling mo?
Ha?
Ano ba yung nihiling mo?
Ngayon ko, maganda yung gusto. Magagapay.
Maano mo si?
Ganito naman. Forget it. Dito.
Why you stop speaking?
You, if you say anything, listen to master, but listen to they don't believe in you. Because I'm doing good. Tomorrow I'm going to speak slowly. I'm going quiet. So, they don't believe in you. Because they know that I'm a good man.
Alam nila, mabait ka.
Yeah.
Yun ang alam
So,
nila.
I don't believe in you. If you say anything, I will do it. I will do it.
Ibig sabihin ko sabihin sa kanila lahat, di sila maniniwala, no? Kasi alam nila, mabait ka, no?
Because I'm quiet. I'm not obeying them. I'm clean the house. I'm cook food. Okay? No one believes you. You think you're a fool. You think you're using drugs. So, I can continue my mission. I have a mission in this world.
What is your mission?
The mission is to I will remember what is my mission. I will teach you. Remember this thing.
Diyan na sila, sigurado.
So, where's the trap? I need to put trap. There. You get it up. Right? So, oh my God! You sit in that place. That's it. Okay? This will be. This will be. If you do it, I know it. I know it will be. If this will be. If not this will be, will come. She cannot enter because she's hungry. No, it's like this. So if she do that, she will go there. She's enough. She's hungry. She will get this. Oh my God, food. That's why. Eat. So you will sit. You don't eat you faster. Where's the chicken? You have no. Here, the potato in there. Right?
Naulol ko talaga. Tignan natin gagawin mo.
She will open this. It's like, ready.
Hindi ba ibabalik yung mga yan? Binubuisit mo ba ako?
What the fuck is talking about? I will save your life. I'm the one who's no. I will only save your life. The toxic is already here. Asshole. Right, yes. Look. 'Di ba? 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 ' Sorry. Sorry for everything that I did.